Handwriting is the first impression to an examiner. It also plays an important aspect in our life. Here are some important tricks to improve your handwriting. You must have noticed that your handwriting is beautiful when you write in your notebook, but it becomes the most worst one in the exam hall. You won't even find the reason why is it so. Be clear, handwriting is the most precious thing in a student's career. You don't introduce yourself in the answer paper. So how good or how bad as a student you are, it's not known to a paper evaluationer. So the first impression to the paper evaluationer is your handwriting. Now the question is why your handwriting is so worst in the examination hall, even it is a beautiful one in the notebook. Because you don't warm up your pen before going to an examination hall. So let's see the trick to warm up your pen before going to an examination hall. So before going to the examination hall or 5-10 minutes before the examination, try to make the broken parallel horizontal lines. See, this is the broken parallel horizontal lines. And also vertical or perpendicular broken lines. You should make arc like this. This will help you smoothen your pen. Also try to make arc like this, see, like this, and also make rounds like this. Here you can see the most of the letters are covered by these parallel broken lines and the arcs. See, this is H. For making H you require these lines. For making L you require this line. Also for making P you require a line. For making M, see, this arc will help you to make M. See, this is G, this is N. Now the round will help you to make O and also A. Then for P also you can require this round. For G you require the round. Now see, this will help you to make C. This is a part of C. You can also make E from the part of this arc. And now make this mountain type figure. You make arc as such. You also make some irregular lines like this. Make any irregular lines. It will help to smoothen your pen. Also try to make tables like this. Horizontal lines, vertical lines, then crisscross lines. This will help you to smoothen and sharpen your pen. You know, there are many competitive exams like UPSC mains where there is a descriptive paper. Here the speed of your handwriting will play an utmost important role. So to speed up your handwriting, preferences to your pen will play an important role. Never choose such a slim pen like this, cause after writing for some time you will feel a sensation of pain in your finger. Too much fat pen like this will slow down your writing speed. You may choose any one of these 4 pen. All these 4 pen have perfect width and perfect grip. Always choose a pen with a grip which gives more friction with the paper. This will help you to make your handwriting a beautiful one. Avoid cursive handwriting and try to make your handwriting a beautiful and neat one. Hope the video is useful. Press the bell icon to get tuned on my next videos. Thanks for watching.